everyone. It is currently 9 a.m. I did wake up at 8 o'clock, but I spent like an hour on TikTok, and it's a random week in the summer. You know how it feels during the summer. I don't know if I want to be productive today, but I did want to get dressed up, or at least just show you guys my morning routine, but summer edition, because I'm definitely not the type of person that always has plans and I go out every single week. But you know, I thought it would be cute to get dressed up today in case I do want to go out and treat myself. Yeah, why don't I take you guys through my morning routine today? I had already washed my face and I just placed some shea butter on my skin. I really do not have a complicated routine. I have realized that using so many skin products is not really good for your skin. It clogs up your pores, and if you're having extreme breakouts, it's probably because you're using too many products and you can't figure out what is causing that reaction. Also, if you're not wiping off the makeup or the different brands that you're using on your skin, there could be a negative combination between products, which I realized that when I was younger, I actually had a dermatologist, and I would get prescriptions week after week on my skin, and I was still going through major breakouts. I use the orange bottle. It's like the Neutrogena cleansing. For my face moisturizer, I like to use Cetaphil or shea butter. Moisturizing your skin will prevent you from getting wrinkles, so that's what I'm trying to target right now, because my face is so expressive. Like, I always have like on my face, so I need to work on that. But that was an explanation of my skin routine. And you guys know, for my hair, I do have box braids in right now, but I love to do my edges. It just brings my braids to the next level, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my edges today. This is like a small little bristle brush that is actually made for your little hairs in the front. However, I do like to use a unused toothbrush that I have not used on my teeth, on my hair. I'm just emphasizing that. I don't want anybody coming for me. This is what I use to brush my teeth, and this is what I use to brush my little hairs. I love to use a toothbrush because I feel like the bristles are a little softer on your edges. So I'm just going to put some water on my toothbrush. And as you can see, this part is pretty detangled. Look how straight it is. I have no edge control on my hair, and as you can see, it's already bending and folding for me. So I'm just going to continue putting water throughout every single part of my perimeter, and I will be back when I do all of that. Just showed you guys how I do my edges. I think this is a more dramatic look today, to be honest. I like it, but I know some people don't like doing, super big, voluptuous edges. I just think it's super cute, and I do got that work.
That football helmet that she got on her fucking forehead. I always loved that about that woman.
I don't know how I'm gonna style my hair today, like. So much for watching my morning routine. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with more requests or just your thoughts to this video. Bye!